Then Jesus took John and James and Peter with him and went up a hill to pray. And while he was praying, the aspect of his face changed its appearance, and his clothes became dazzling white. Suddenly, two men were talking with him. They were Moses and Elijah, who appeared in heavenly glory.
You will fulfill God's purpose.
You will die in Jerusalem.
James, John.
And as the men were parting from him,
Peter said to Jesus,
Master, how good it is that we are here. We will make 3 tents. One for you.
As Peter spoke,
One
a
for
cloud
Moses,
came and overshadowed them.
And one for Elijah.
And the disciples were afraid. And a voice came from the cloud saying, "This is my son, the chosen one. Listen to him."
and when the voice had spoken, Jesus was found alone. And they kept silent and told no one in those days anything of what they had seen.